Hey everyone, if you've been following Bitcoin or the crypto markets, you know it can be a wild ride. One moment prices are up and the next they're crashing. Take March 2022 for instance. Bitcoin had just started to recover from a massive crash. Fast forward to late 2023 and the Bitcoin skyrocketed to 174% in just few months. But by September 2024, it's already lost 21% of those highs. So what causes these huge swings? So what drives all this volatility in the crypto market? It's simple. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have historically been far more volatile than traditional assets like stocks or bonds. While stocks are more stable, Bitcoin and its peers are more open to major swings, driven by things like market sentiment, regulation news, and even global events. It's this unpredictability that makes crypto both risky and exciting. But how do you manage the chaos? Now that we know crypto can be volatile, how do we protect ourselves as investors? First, diversify your portfolio. Spread out your investments to reduce risk. You can also hedge your position to protect against potential losses. Use tools like stop loss and take profit order to automate decisions and limit emotional trading. Stay calm, stick to your plan, and you'll navigate the volatility with confidence.